Hi, welcome back to another vlog. I am at the Kakum Bunso Eco Park again. Every year we bring the school brings the level 100 for a sightseeing, and today is my first time with them, so it means that this is my second time here. I've already been here. I've shared a full vlog on all that happened when we came here. So today, they never know how to manage. So I will not be vlogging giddy. I'll be giving you tidbits here and there. I even have a low battery, so that is that. Currently, I'm going for the walk the second time. I will be on the zip line again, but on the horse, no, that's not they count me out. Then I am because I've been on the canopy before. I am not apprehensive. I'm not anxious. I am very much okay. Look at it, Ediane. Davi.
Yeah, I'm very happy. I'm now taking my breakfast.
Oh, okay. So we are going on the. Next to the mini. Okay, so we just completed the canopy walk, and I was the group leader. Yes, I led the students, and this woman here, this one here, she was the back vocalist. She brought them. So we are done here. Also, because the plan. Yeah, cause the plan. No, what now? Me the horse to them, patch or the ponka, but them. I want them in. So guys, we will talk to you later. Okay? Hey guys. For the second time there, I disappointed myself. I wore the whatever. I went, I even climbed up to where I'm supposed to start, but I couldn't. Yeah, when I got there, I was nervous. I was panting. I was shaking, so I couldn't continue with it. So I had to update you on that. 10. Guys, it's God not wonderful. Look at this tree. It's a root to know. Root to know and I'm from any. It's any. And I try 8, you know. And I could say, then it got divided there. Because so in the it's when for me, guys, God is the best of architects. Hey, look at it. Other charges and go for other charges. I'm going for other charges.
That's the for none you need to say. Help I any sir. Baby. Yeah. Yeah. We travel side by side. Why?
I'm saying so up and down. They mean you.
Person be also kakra.
When I'm your bedding money.
Boko. Me so. For na ba kutu fam. Na for we so too. Sana me ya me hu ya. Video now.
Me picture.
Okay, you. Baba we.
Na paso e.
Mami nya kakra bi.
Da bi me push me.
Kakra bi o wade.
Me se tia mu kente de me na si fam. Yeah. gifted me this balm. It's from Camis. Yeah, I have one that is fruity, and this one is mint. Yeah, this one is mint. So guys, this is basically what I do every morning, apart from downloading. For a strange reason, I couldn't download today. I'm saying today because that urge will not come again until I wake up tomorrow morning, God willing. So what I have to do is to put small pomade in my hair. Okay, so I have this spray bottle with water and leave-in. So I do this every other day. Then I'll go in with tips with Nikki in Kumbia or the Bechemi. Guys, the weather is extremely hot. See how melted it is. But I don't do anything changing when I wake up, especially with how do we call it, self-care. Yeah, self-care. The only self-care that I am consistent with, that I am proud I give myself, is bathing this body 2 times a day. Yeah, apart from that, I don't do anything. Please, if you have any skincare routine that you think I can follow, I've read of coconut oil. Have you tried it before? If it works, let me know in the comment section so that I start doing it. Right now, what I have to do is to take my pen and my book. I understand the lecture starts at 7:30. It's almost 7, so I'm going to find my way there. I brought some pens, about 5 of them. Guys, I'm glad Mami Sawa will be happy to hear this. If Mami Sawa should hear this, I know she will say, I am glad I am not there. If Mami had been here, I would have said she has been misplacing the pens. Okay, I think, see, I have 2 here, so I am good to go. One thing that I don't joke with is pens in my bag. You know, guys, I am ready. This is the outfit of the day. I have it with a sandal, a flat shoe. So let's pray and go. I'm going to board a car. I know that I will walk for about 20 minutes because where the school is either I walk past, take a car, or I enjoy a ride fully. But for now, what I can do is to walk and take a car. So I'm doing that. I have been following a gentleman for some time now, and he's taking another Appian way here. Yeah, through the houses here. I so much want to follow him, but at this point there, I don't want to take that risk anymore because I suspect this route might lead to his abode and not a palm. So if I should see him even at a far distance, I will know that, oh, that route can lead me somewhere. The next time I'll apply it, but for now I think the main road is okay. So I've been walking for about 10 minutes. Yeah, this time round I am not going the Ghana pace of walking, the catwalk type. No, this one I'm doing the Obodo Yibo type of walking. This is brisk walking. Yeah, so this is how I've been walking since I stopped talking to you. So it's the Obodo Yibo catwalk that I am doing. It takes lots of courage and strength to vlog in this my country. People will be looking at you. They will be looking at you like, where is this mad one? Where did she jump from? Even this Aboboya driver was staring at me strangely. Yeah, I would have done same. In it. In it. Right about the Appian way, that Appian way, because I know they see that gentleman for the rooftop. I am happy I did not follow him. Yeah, so on we go. That is the compound, and the most serious ones are already upstairs. I got back about 5 minutes ago, guys. My head aches. They sell no food around. I am extremely hungry, but thankfully I had one grandfather bankubi in the fridge, so I have it on fire at the moment. It is ready. I remembered that I respond very positively to banku with palm nut soup with a touch of okra, and I have that. I made the soups yesterday, so I have laid before me a table. Yeah, this one is a typical, I don't know about other countries, I would not say African, but then a typical Ghanaian dining table. Let me show you. Very common, almost everybody can relate to. So this table is in between your thighs. So you sit down like this, then you open your legs apart, then you push it closer. So you are invited. Why, guys? You are invited. If you know me, you know I'm headmistress. It's me penam tipo